Hello, this is Brooklyn Middle Steam School's Show Us Your Mussels Challenge 2023 submission, The Mystery of the Missing Native Freshwater Mussels. Endangered. Freshwater Minnesota mussels are disappearing at an alarming rate. Continue watching to find out more. Our clues. Investigation 1. Where have the native freshwater mussels gone? Investigation 2. Why are mussels important? Investigation 3. Interesting things about mussels. Investigation 4. What can you do to help? Investigation 1. Where have the native freshwater mussels gone? Where do we find freshwater mussels? In Minnesota, in our lakes, streams, and rivers. Fish. Mussels require fish. Freshwater. Mussels need it clean and of quality. Lake beds. Mussels like to burrow. What happened to the native freshwater mussels? During the 19th century, pearl hunting became a big business, not for their pearls, but for their shells to make buttons. Declines in native fish populations present a major threat to the survival of freshwater mussels. The installation of dams along rivers obstructed the passage of native fish. The buildup of silt has damaged the mussel population. Stream channelization or ditching, stream dredging, wetland drainage, and field tilting leads to rapid water runoff, bank erosion, and stream bed destabilization. Overharvest and pollution reduce the mussel population. Exotic zebra mussels have invaded some Minnesota waters and attached to freshwater mussels. They compete for food and smother the mussels. The decline in mussel population has two major issues: mussel hunting, mussels have been hunted to make buttons, and zebra mussels, the invasive species, attach on to native mussels and wreak havoc. How can we help the freshwater native mussels habitat? Pollution, managing water to reduce pollution. Obstruction, clear debris on sidewalks, drains, and culverts. Flow, maintaining natural stream flow. Healthy water, promote and support healthy rivers and streams. Where can we find native freshwater mussels? In quality freshwater. Mussels siphon water and clean huge quantities of water. They filter more than 18,000 gallons of water per day. Investigation 2. Why are mussels important? Why we need them. Mussels filter water. Mussels filter impurities from water, leaving it cleaner and clearer. Mussels provide safe drinking water. Clean freshwater helps fisheries and recreation and support healthy, abundant aquatic wildlife. Providers. They siphon in water and filter oxygen, tiny plankton and nutrient particles from the water, cleansing the water in the process and absorbing what they consume into their bodies and shells. By improving water quality, they help the ecosystem for all animals. Mussels provide food for a variety of species. Otters especially rely upon them during lean times. Investigation 3. Interesting things about mussels. Interesting facts, the most important. Don't collect mussels. If you pick up a live mussel, return it to the water immediately. Ecosystem engineers. Mussels modify aquatic habitat. This makes it more suitable for all organisms in their environment. We are not clams. They are mistakenly referred to as clams. Lifespan. Mussels live a long time, sometimes up to a century or more. Mussels need to remain in our water. Mussel reproduction. Male release sperm into the water. Female draws in sperm to fertilize the eggs. When fertilized, the female releases the tiny larvae called glochidia into the gills of a fish. The fish is tricked by the shape of the glochidia, thinking it is food. The baby mussel grows on the fish and forms a juvenile. This does not harm the fish. When ready, the juvenile drops off on the river bottom. Investigation 4. What can we do to help mussels? Your tasks, what you can do to help the mussels. Learn. Find out which mussels live in your area. Invasive species. Do not introduce invasive species. They can harm the native population. Volunteer. Local groups will work to monitor species, educate, and improve habitat. Pick up. Pick up after your animals and any litter. Pesticides. Limit pesticide use. Advocate. If you see live mussels, make sure they are unharmed. Save our mussels. After our investigation, we have determined the multiple reasons as to why our native freshwater mussels are disappearing. Be sure to do your active duty to keep these important animals alive and thriving. Thanks for watching. Be sure to vote for Brooklyn Middle School at the website listed here, mnzoo.org/mussels-challenge/ Vote for Brooklyn Middle School.